Today I'm going to show you the easiest done-for-you digital side hustle to start from home, even with zero experience. And trust me, if I can start this at 68, you absolutely can too. You're about to see how simple it is to start an online income stream in retirement without building websites, creating products, or learning confusing tech. Hi, I'm Carol, and I'm a retired grandmother from Canada. If you want the exact blueprint that I used, my Freedom Formula Blueprint walks you through the same beginner-friendly steps that I've followed. Check out the link that's in the description below this video. Now, let's get started. The very first thing that stunned me about this program was realizing that I didn't have to create anything. The entire digital side hustle is built around done-for-you products, meaning the digital guides, trainings, tools, and products are already created. You're not inventing anything new. You're simply sharing something that already exists and is in high demand. Instead of trying to build a business from scratch, you're handed a system that includes the website, the videos, the explanations, and all the materials that do all the selling for you. Not only does this eliminate 99% of the overwhelm, it also means that you can get started quickly without needing any experience. It sure cuts down on the overwhelm. And this is exactly why beginners love this system, because you get to skip the hardest and most technical parts and go straight to the simple steps that move you forward. The second thing that opened my eyes was realizing that the world has shifted, is in our favor. So many things have gone digital nowadays. More people are buying digital products now than ever. Courses, planners, guides, templates, tools. People want fast, instant solutions. They can download quickly without waiting for delivery. That means this business model doesn't require shipping, inventory, or keeping track of physical product. When someone buys through your link, they get what they purchased instantly, and the system handles everything after that. And here's the part that most people don't realize. You don't need to have a big audience. You're simply tapping into traffic that already exists, people who are searching for these products every day. So if you've ever felt like you missed your chance to start something online, the truth is your timing may just be better than you think. And remember, before you go, grab a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint that's linked below. It's free and it describes everything in more detail. The thing that made everything feel so much more doable was discovering how much of it is automated. The system includes email sequences, follow-up messages, product explanations, and a beautifully designed website, all built for you. Instead of writing pages and creating emails or figuring out complicated software, everything is already done. The system picks up where you left off, guiding people step by step, even while you're cooking dinner, sleeping, or spending time with your family. It's like having a little digital team working for you behind the scenes without the cost or the stress. This is the moment I realized that you don't have to be techie to succeed online. You just need to have the right tools to take care of the techie parts for you. Then there's the part that finally made me relax, the simplicity. The business is built on simple step-by-step actions. Nothing complicated, nothing overwhelming. You log in, follow the steps one at a time, and the system literally tells you what to do next. The training is visual, simple, and designed for people who want the explain to me like I'm brand new approach. And if you ever get stuck, there's support, guidance, and community. You are never doing this alone. There is a large community of people who have your back. Starting an online business doesn't have to feel scary or confusing. When someone hands you a map, all you have to do is follow it. And here's the part that no one really talks about. Your age is not a disadvantage. It's your superpower. People trust people who've lived life. You're relatable, grounded, and you understand real life struggles far better than any 20-year-old influencer ever will. When you share a product or a resource online, people see you as someone who genuinely cares, not somebody who's just chasing the next viral trend. You've been through ups and downs, hard times, good times. You've been through it all. Your voice carries weight. Your experience builds trust. Your authenticity is what makes this business work. So you're not behind, you're not too late. You're actually positioned perfectly to help people just like you. And that's something that younger creators just can't replicate. So if you're ready to start something simple, stress-free, and actually achievable, this done-for-you digital side hustle is the easiest way to get started. You don't need experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't have to build anything from scratch. All you need is a willingness to begin and the right blueprint to guide you. You can grab that blueprint in the description below this video. Now, a quick question. What holds you back the most? The tech or a fear of starting something new? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know more about this, maybe check out this video next.